Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your one and only girl Jessica with another amazing video on how to host a party on Poppo at the same time doing your daily live stream. Yeah, I've found and figured out another way for you guys to be doing your daily live stream tasks that they'll be paying you doing your daily live stream. At the same time, you'll be hosting a party for other friends to come and do their crown seat tasks, and that way it will not be boring. You'll be able to make friends and all that. Yeah, it is possible. You might be doubting it is possible. It is possible. And if you're new to this channel, you might not know what I'm talking about. I recently started making videos on this app that I just found out, a new app that pays its users, yeah, to go live and do fun things. Most of the fun things you do on TikTok, whereby you might be wasting your money on coins, gifting people here and there, bring your money to this app. Even if you don't bring your money to this app, you will surely earn on this account. So I'll be posting the video link in the description. All you just need to go is to go to the description and go and watch the video on how to sign up on the app, and take the link, and all sort of things will be on that video. So if you are new, you don't have any problem. I'll be putting it in the end screen also, so you just need to go straight to the video and go and watch. So that's it about that. If you notice, whenever you want to do your live stream, they'll be telling you that party hosting doesn't count for your daily live stream. But guys, I have figured out another way how you're going to be doing it. Instead of doing your normal live stream, you'll be doing it and hosting a party, and that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So just make sure you watch this video to the end. Do not skip any part. Make sure you watch the end so you can understand basically everything you need to do. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. You can see the links on my group to join my group and all sort of things. And if you have been watching to this time, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and let's get to the video. To open our party, this is the second place I tapped on and I came to my party. We already know how to do that. So we're going to be tapping on party here. That's what we're going to be tapping on. So let's tap on it. So this is where it took us. You can see that my face is showing because of it is on video. Let me highlight it for you so you see. Because it's on video, that is why my face is showing. You can write what you want to write here, tax here, choose your content and all that. Then you're opening a party with 8 seats. You can decide how many seats you want to open. So me, I'm opening 8 seats. So guys, we're not going to be tapping on video, we're going to be tapping on voice. When I tap on this voice right now, you will see that it will change. You will no longer see my face again. That is how I do it. When I tap on voice, I'll be entering the live stream as voice, if you see it. This is how I do it. When I tap on voice, when I enter the live stream, it is only my mic that will be on. I will not be seeing my face, and I have to wait after 5 minutes before I open my video. Alright guys, so this is what is going to show you when you've done all the steps I just showed you now. It's going to show you this. It means you've already created the room. This is how you mute your mic. If you can see here, you see that I have muted your mic. I've moved my mic so that people will not hear my conversation. These 3 horizontal line below is what I tapped in. I see my microphone and I mute my mic. The next thing you need to do is to tap on that seat you see by your right hand side, and make sure this mic needs to be revealed. This mark is not inside. Do you understand? It must be like this. When it is like this, people will be able to join your live stream without asking you to put them on the seat, so they'll be able to sit on the seat like that. Then when you are done with that, you can go straight to open your video. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines below there, beside the game there, 3 horizontal line. When you tap on it, okay, that's where I showed you is my video, where I'm going to open now. I circled my face now, showing I'm going to open my video. After 5 minutes, you enter this room. After 5 minutes, you enter this room, you open your video, and your live duration will be counting up. So now look at where I put the arrow down below. That's 3 horizontal line. We're going to tap on it now. So when we tap on the 3 horizontal line, it's going to show you let's tap on it first and see. It's going to show you message, store, beauty, text bubble, camera, see your video and microphone. You can see they are slanted. It means my video is closed and my microphone is what? Off. That's why they are slanted. That is why that's it. So we are going to be opening the video. We're going to be tapping on video so we can open the video. When we tap on video, it's going to show you this. The monitoring personnel will conduct blah blah blah. All you need to do is to tap OK. When you tap OK, you will see your video will come up, and you'll be seeing that the live duration will be counted. Alright guys, and that's how you host the party for your daily live stream. To any questions, drop them in the comment section. And if you've been watching till this moment, thank you guys. God bless you. More love to you guys. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, share it to your friends. And if you want withdrawal proof on how I get money withdraw to my bank account straight, feel free. You can DM me on my group. I will show you everything, guys. This app is really legit. That is why I started making videos on it. So I hope to see you more and more in my next video. I'll be meeting you guys. All right, bye.